Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market. Today, we're taking a look at the OYOCO Patio Umbrella Light, widely considered the best umbrella LED light available. If you've been looking for the perfect solution to light up your outdoor space, especially those late-night gatherings under your patio umbrella, this is the light you've been waiting for. The OYOCO Umbrella Light comes equipped with 28 bright energy-saving LED lights, making it perfect for your patio, camping trips, BBQs, or even cozy indoor gatherings. This light offers 3 brightness modes, so you can choose the perfect amount of light for any occasion. Whether you need a dim ambiance with just 4 LEDs on, a bright setting with 24 LEDs, or a super bright effect with all 28 LEDs lit up, you have complete control at the push of a button. What makes this light so convenient is its easy installation. It requires no additional tools, wires, or electrical outlets. The light comes with an auto-adjustable clamp that easily attaches to umbrella poles with diameters ranging from 0.86 inches to 1.81 inches, ensuring a secure fit. Additionally, you can hang it anywhere using its 2 hooks for extra versatility. Whether mounted facing up for a softer, indirect light or facing down for direct lighting, you can adjust it to suit your needs. Another feature that makes the OYOCO Umbrella Light stand out is its energy efficiency. Powered by 4 Ah batteries, which are not included, this light is both environmentally friendly and cost-effective. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry and set up, whether you're at home or on the go. The OYOCO Patio Umbrella Light is not just functional, but it's also durable. Made with a powder-coated finish, the light is built to withstand the elements, ensuring long-lasting use for your outdoor adventures. The LED lights are perfect for lighting up your evenings, whether you're playing cards, reading, or simply enjoying time with family and friends. In conclusion, the OYOCO Umbrella Light is the ideal solution to illuminate your outdoor spaces with ease and efficiency. Its 3 brightness modes, easy installation, and energy-saving LEDs make it a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their patio experience. Don't let the night fall on your fun. Grab the OYOCO Patio Umbrella Light today, and light up your outdoor gatherings in style. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Make sure to like and subscribe for more product reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.